Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Telegram wallet recovery phrase for free. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, launch the Telegram app on your mobile device. Open the Telegram wallet by tapping on its chat within the app, and then tap on the wallet icon down here. Open your ToneSpace Beta and tap on the settings icon. If you're using ToneSpace Beta, you will be able to view your recovery phrase directly within the wallet interface. You can copy the recovery phrase exactly as it is displayed. Save it somewhere secure like a password manager or a written note stored in a safe place. This recovery phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access to it. Be sure to save the exact words in the correct order and never share them with anyone to ensure your wallet's security. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel.